Yeah. May 27th, 2026. You already know what it is. William on the move. Bass knocking.
Stains be gone, yeah, we pulling up clean. William on the scene, yeah, he doing his thing. Fresh truck, rolling whole block, know the name. When we hit them carpets, they ain't looking the same. Stains be gone, watch the whole room glow. Deep clean flow, got the fresh air blow. From Fayetteville streets, yeah, the whole town know. When William touch down, watch them stains all go. Pulled up smooth with the tools in the back. Game so tight, yeah, the process stay stacked. Pre-spray hitting, let it break all that grime. CRB working, got it lined up right. Then the one come through with that heat and that press. Lifting all the dirt, put the fibers to the test. Every single pass got the carpets look blessed. Top tier service, yeah, we better than the rest. Baseline knock, whole house transform. Fresh so strong, that clean feel warm. One call made and the problem gets gone. William locked in, yeah, the clean up zone. Tanks be gone, yeah, we changing the game. William on the scene, put respect on the name. May 27th, let the whole